City of Dayton has a home field. It's a growing community, about 35 miles from downtown Houston, then another 40 miles west of Beaumont. We call ourselves the Crossroads because every road leads to Dayton.
One thing that we focus on in administration is make sure we don't forget about the people. We want to make sure that we try to keep the roots here in Dayton, but also adapt to the changes that are coming.
We have the Grand Parkway, State Highway 99, coming through the city of Dayton. We have several plans in place right now that tell us where we need to concentrate. And we realize with the growth coming, we want to go ahead and take advantage now of our older community and make sure it's fit to serve what's expanding. We knew we had infrastructure that needed to take place as far as improvements and enlargement, like water lines, take care of existing leaks, look at our meter sizes.
We needed to do repairs now. We couldn't wait till the growth was here and have funds available. We've done a lot of projects from replacing pumps to blowers to also capacity increase at the wastewater plant. All the infrastructure that was replaced was a cost energy saving infrastructure. From electrical motors to control panels to lighting fixtures, it's actually going to save us on our monthly electrical bills. It's a win-win situation for the city.
That's one of the important parts of our operation on a daily basis.
SCID has been a big part and a big tool for the city staff. It provides a lot of information that we need. Before SCADA, we actually had to have 2 city employees go out there and monitor the water well system, the levels, and also for our lift stations, make sure that they were working properly. And that was an inconvenience not only on the wear and tear on the equipment, but also on our residents. Some people would have sewer backups. We did not know that one of the lift stations had gotten down until we actually go out there. Now we pretty much get a notification immediately. We don't wait till services are interrupted. I think the biggest impact for our residents and the commercial accounts was the water meters. With the new smart meters, we're able to track them properly. We put that information on your computer or your phone so you could log into your account and monitor your account anytime.
In addition to that, we also upgrade our lighting. That was so important for us. We have a ballpark that serves not only the city of Dayton community, but our surrounding communities. We have a Little League team. Now with our change in our lighting and upgraded our system, they're able to play tournaments late in the evening.
It feels great as a public works director to be a servant to these existing residents and make an impact for the future.